Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp and grits easy. For a quick and delicious meal, opt for instant or quick cooking grits, which are ready in about 5 to 7 minutes. Combine 1 cup of grits with 2 cups of liquid, like water or chicken broth, for a perfect consistency. Stir frequently to prevent lumps and ensure a smooth texture. Don't forget to season them well with a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a generous knob of butter for richness. Next, let's prepare the star of our dish, the shrimp. For ease, choose shrimp that are already peeled and deveined. Before cooking, pat them thoroughly dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial for a beautiful sear. Heat a skillet with 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter over medium-high heat. Cook the shrimp for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque, ensuring they remain tender and juicy. Now for the incredible sauce that brings everything together. After cooking your bacon, use about 2 tablespoons of the drippings as a base. Sauté 1/2 cup of diced bell peppers and 1/4 cup of chopped onions until softened, which takes about 5 minutes. Deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of chicken broth or a dry white wine, scraping up all those delicious bits from the bottom. This creates a rich and savory foundation for your shrimp. Finally, it's time to bring our easy shrimp and grits together. Add your perfectly cooked shrimp back into the pan with the sauce, stirring gently to coat them evenly. Let it simmer for just 1 minute to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Spoon a generous portion of the creamy grits onto a plate, then top with the savory shrimp and sauce. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or green onions adds a lovely finish and a burst of color. Enjoy your delicious, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.